Have you ever dreamt of buying an Apple phone or an iPad? If you have done so, you must know that the cost it comes with. When the expensive product you buy get misplaced or stolen forever and which cannot be tracked back. And the worst part is, I have been through.
When I lost my second generation Apple Pencil when I was on my South India trip.
I mean that pencil.
एप्पल पेंसिल तेरा बाप बोलेगा.
Yeah, Apple Pencil is like mitochondria for my iPad. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता भाई, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. बचपन में पढ़ा हुआ था. So I used to do all my editings and other writing works with the use of my pencil only. When I lost the pencil, it became very difficult for me to edit the videos, to write down the content and everything like that. But that's it. It's done. Like it's stolen or it's lost. It's over. Now what? You guys will say, yes, go get another pencil. But why the new pencil costs around 10,900 rupees. If I convert it into dollar, it will be like $135. And it's not even trackable. भाई मतलब आईफोन और आईपैड गुम जाए तो आप उसको ट्रैक कर सकते हो. बट इफ योर पेंसिल विच लाइक दे आर चार्जिंग 10,000 रुपीज, भाई एटलीस्ट एक ट्रैकर तो लगा दो उसमें, सो दैट वी कैन फाइंड इट आउट. एज आई गॉट बैक फ्रॉम द ट्रिप फ्रॉम द साउथ इंडिया, आई थॉट दैट okay, I'll earn money from the YouTube and I'll buy the pencil back. But you guys are not contributing in.
Increase my watch hours right now. Watch all my videos.
So leaving all the Rindy Luna behind, I thought, let's get the Apple Pencil anyhow possible. So I went to the Inspire store and I asked them for the Apple Pencil. So they said,
no, we do not have the stock.
So as I was leaving the store, one of the guy came to me and told me, we have the Vaku pencil, which works the same in half the cost of the original Apple Pencil. I was like, कोई चूतिया होगा जो ये deal ना ले. So finally I am here with you using the not Apple Pencil from the last 4 months. Now let me tell you the pros and the cons of not Apple Pencil. This cover is of original Apple Pencil when I purchased the first time with my iPad, and this is the Vaku pencil which I purchased when I lost this one. When I purchased it, it costed me like around 10,000 rupees. It's like 10,900 right now. I purchased this Vaku pencil for rupees 4,500 rupees, almost half the price of the original pencil. So now let me tell you the pros and cons of this Vaku pencil, what I have experienced from the last 4 to 5 months. Let's start with the look. It looks exactly the same as the Apple Pencil, but the major difference is it has this charging socket over there and the tap point over here. Now let me explain you one by one what exactly the difference is. From the top to bottom, from the back side, it looks exactly the same as the original Apple Pencil. Before we can use it on the iPad, what we have to do is we have to charge it. And how we can do this? With the normal Type-C charger. That means I usually charge this with my iPad charger only, the Type-C charger. It's simple. You can just grab it and just push it. It will start charging from this, and once the charging is done, just pull it out. Simple. And one more difference is that in the original Apple Pencil, you do not have to do this charging. What you just do, you simply pick your iPad and put your pencil like this on the right side. The iPad has this charger or like magnetic stamp on the right side of this iPad. It just gets attached, but it doesn't get charged. The difference of 5,000 rupees, you get this facility, you just charge it and you just pull it out and ready to use. You don't have to tap on the top side to start and tap again to to turn it off. In the original Apple Pencil, you just need to put on the right side of your iPad. It automatically gets charged, and as soon as you pull it out, it's ready. See, it's working. And as soon as I'll click on the top again, it doesn't work. So it's as simple as that. This is the two major difference you will get if I'll compare the Vaku pencil with the original Apple Pencil. So this is a major difference.
Yes, only this.
Now let's come back to a couple of the cons of this not Apple Pencil. What happens is if I'm using, whenever I'm doing some work on my device, the original Apple Pencil, what I used to do is I just put it in, it automatically gets charged. So sometimes what happened is, if this pencil gets like the battery is down and if I'm working on something, I need to stop my work at the moment and I need to charge it down. Usually it works whenever like we are charging the pencil also, it works. It like doesn't stop working at that time. If I'm like putting it on a charging and I'm working on it, it's kind of annoying. Like it doesn't feel comfortable. So this is one kind of a drawback I felt when I was like using this pencil. Apart from that, like it's great till now, it haven't given me like any kind of problem. Minor questions what I feel you guys must be thinking, so I'm gonna tell you about that. First question, you guys might be thinking that in one charging how long the pencil lasts. So the answer is straight, it depends on the working you are doing per day. For example, on my experience, whatever like I have done is I work like 4 to 5 hours with this pencil every day, and in one charging it like lasts for 2 or 3 days, and after that I need to charge. Usually if you're not working and it's turned off, it lasts for more than 1 week. Now my second question, you might be thinking, what are the accessories you have got with this Vaku pencil? In this box here, it was the pencil, this side, the tip, the pencil tip. You can like, it's easily detachable. I've got this spare tip, like with original Apple pencil when I purchased it, I haven't got any single tip. Vaku pencil, I got 2 spare tips. Drop the pencil off the ground, cracked or any kind of bend over here, so I can easily replace it. I don't have to pay any extra bucks. And the original Apple pencil tip, it cost like more than 1000, 2000 for like 2 or 3 pairs of it. I got this 2 tips. It's like stuck over here, I cannot able to like remove it, but it's there. So with this pencil, I got this small USB cable, USB to type C to charge, and I got that 2 spare tip. That's it from it. I got the bill, as well as I got 6-month warranty. If something happen at that duration, they will replace the pencil. If like it's glitching while writing, it's like having some kind of space in between, and if I'm facing any kind of problem, within 6 months they will replace it. Right now I'm still in the warranty period. This is all I can say as of now with my experience. If any one of you have ever used not Apple pencil for your iPad, do let me know in the comment section. I have put out all the description of all the products I'm using, the camera, the iPad, the pencil, the original Apple pencil, and everything on the link in the description. And if you guys want to purchase it, do purchase from that affiliated link. It's not going to cost you any extra single penny, but it's going to help me to get a little bit percentage of the product you will find out. So that's it for today. Have a safe journey. See you in the next video. Bye bye.